Welcome to your Math 1314 Web Weekly Update. So this week is the week of 2/8. Okay, so this Tuesday, that's today actually, you have one assignment that is due. Okay, that's the 2.7 inverse assignment in MyLab Math. To go along with this, because this is the end of this unit, you need to make sure you have replied to 2 posts as well as done your original post from back here. Make sure you have posted there so that you will get your rating sometime this week for that. Also, make sure that you begin reviewing for Objective Check 2B. Remember, that is your third exam, and that will be open on this Thursday. Well, it actually opens on Wednesday at 8:30, I think it is, sometime in the morning on Wednesday, and it closes on Thursday at midnight or 11:59. You need to open Objective Check 2B because that is the new material, the exam for the new material. But optionally, you can also open Objective Check 1 or Objective Check 2A. Now, each one of those has its own 2-hour time limit, but you need to spend the time to correct the objectives that you need to. Just because Objective Check 1 opens and you see EQ1 through EQ7 does not mean you have to do all of those. You only have to do the ones that you've received an N or possibly an S- rating. However, if you received an S-, you really need to correct that. That is the big thing there. So you can write something up and send it to me in an email or however you want to do it. I've had people send me videos of them correcting problems, things like that. So it doesn't have to be real fancy, just something that says, hey, look, I can in fact do this. I know I made a small mistake, but now I can do this, and I corrected this. Now, also this week, we begin Unit 3. Just by necessity of our course, we begin Unit 3, so you have 2 assignments that are due this week. 3.1 quadratic functions, these are due on Thursday, and 3.2 polynomial functions and their graphs. And then because it's the beginning of the unit, you'll want to make sure you post in the Unit 3 forum. Now, just like the last one, you may notice that there are one question that you can do, or maybe the other one you can't. That's okay, because we're going to be learning this material as the unit goes on. So the first day you may not be able to answer both questions or even either. Just make sure that by the end of that unit you have posted, you have replied to 2 classmates, and then there is the external resources. So if you run across anything that is helpful to you in working in that's outside of our course, then go into the helpful resources document and link some things there. All right, well, that is everything I think I need to remind you of. Please email me if you have questions. I've been trying to call or email or send remind messages to a bunch of you. Well, to all of you, really. I want to talk with each person about how the course is going and answer any questions. So please give me a chance to answer some questions. All right. Have a good week. Bye.